Did you know that what you eat can be just as important as the insulin you take when managing type 1 diabetes? Today we're diving into the crucial world of diet management for type 1 diabetes. Stick around. This information could be a game changer for your health. Let's start with the basics. Type 1. Diabetes happens when your pancreas decides to take a permanent vacation from making insulin. Insulin is like the key that unlocks your cells to let sugar in for energy. Without it, sugar builds up in your bloodstream, which can lead to some not-so-fun side effects. That's where you come in. By understanding how different foods affect your blood sugar, and learning to balance your insulin with your meals, you can take charge of your health and live your best life. It's all about finding what works for you. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to break down the science, share practical tips, and build a supportive community where we can all learn from each other. So, buckle up, grab your favorite healthy snack, and let's dive in. The balancing act: insulin, carbs, and you. Imagine this. You're about to devour a delicious plate of pasta. Carbs are the star of the show, and they're ready to give your body energy. But here's the catch. Your body needs insulin to use those carbs effectively. Think of insulin as the VIP escort that gets those carbs past the velvet rope and into your cells. Without enough insulin, those carbs are left stranded outside, causing your blood sugar to spike. Too much insulin, and your blood sugar could take a nosedive, leaving you feeling shaky and weak. It's all about finding that sweet spot, the perfect balance between insulin and carbs. But hold on, it's not just about carbs and insulin. Nutrients play a vital role too. Protein and healthy fats are like the reliable sidekicks that help slow down digestion, keeping your blood sugar levels from going on a roller coaster ride. The key takeaway? It's all about teamwork. Balancing insulin, carbs, and nutrients is the secret sauce to managing type 1 diabetes and keeping your blood sugar levels in check. If you're finding this information valuable and want to support our mission of spreading knowledge about diabetic-friendly nutrition, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Eating for type 1 diabetes, a step-by-step guide. Now that you understand the basics, let's get practical. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the world of food and make healthy choices. Step 1. Carb counting is your new superpower. Carbs are the MVPs when it comes to affecting your blood sugar. Learning to count carbs is like having a secret weapon in your diabetes arsenal. Start by reading food labels and familiarizing yourself with portion sizes. Here's a quick guide. One slice of bread is equivalent to about 15 grams of carbs. One small apple is equal to about 15 grams. 1 cup of milk is equal to about 12 grams. There are also tons of apps and online resources that can help you become a carb counting pro in no time. Next, work with your doctor to determine your insulin to carb ratio. This tells you how much insulin to take for the carbs you eat. For example, a 1:10 ratio means 1 unit of insulin for every 10 grams of carbs. Remember, this ratio can vary throughout the day, so keep detailed records to fine-tune your dosing. Step 2. Become a meal planning mastermind. Planning your meals is like creating a roadmap for your blood sugar. It helps you balance your carb intake throughout the day and avoid any unexpected spikes or crashes. Start by creating a weekly meal plan and prepping your meals in advance whenever possible. Try these strategies. Eat at consistent times each day. Pair carbs with protein and fat to slow digestion. Use the plate method: 1/2 non-starchy veggies, 1/4 protein, 1/4 carbs. Step 3. Don't fear the glycemic index, GI. The GI ranks foods based on how quickly they raise your blood sugar. Low GI foods are like the slow and steady runners, releasing glucose gradually, while high GI foods are like sprinters, causing a rapid spike. Aim to include plenty of low GI foods in your diet, such as whole grains, legumes, and most fruits and vegetables. Step 4. Hydration is key. Water is your best friend. Staying hydrated helps your body function properly, including regulating blood sugar levels. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day and limit sugary drinks like soda and juice. Remember, these are just guidelines. It's important to work with your healthcare team to create a personalized meal plan that meets your individual needs and preferences. Unlocking the science: what the research says. A 2023 study in the Journal of Diabetes Science and Technology found that using continuous glucose monitors alongside carb counting improved HbA1c levels by an average of 0.8%. That's significant progress. Studies have shown that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein is linked to better blood sugar control and a lower risk of diabetes-related complications. These foods are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for overall health. Research has also highlighted the importance of choosing healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These good fats can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of heart disease. Remember, knowledge is power. Staying informed about the latest research can empower you to make informed decisions about your diet and overall health. Sample meal plan. Here's a sample meal plan to tie it all together. Breakfast: whole grain toast with avocado and a boiled egg. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with mixed veggies and quinoa. Dinner: baked salmon, roasted sweet potato, and steamed broccoli. Remember, this is just a guide. Your specific needs may vary, so always consult with your healthcare team. What are your go-to meals for managing your blood sugar? Do you have any clever hacks for making healthy eating more enjoyable? Share your tips, tricks, and diabetes wisdom in the comments below. Your insights could be just what someone else needs to feel empowered and supported on their journey. Let's beat diabetes together, living with type 1. Diabetes can be challenging, but it doesn't have to define you. To recap, learn to count carbs, balance insulin with food intake, plan your meals, choose nutrient-dense foods that have low glycemic index, and ensure your body is well hydrated. By understanding the importance of balancing insulin, carbs, and nutrients, and by following these practical tips, you can take control of your health and live a full and vibrant life. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative and engaging content on all things health and wellness. And be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, and diabetes hacks. Let's build a supportive community and beat diabetes together.